Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000, example, cost workup, pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.12, review shelf prices. If the user knows that sheet 4 SHLF S1 BSE A or L LWR, which means format 4 shelf section 1 base all or left lower cost workup sheet is the correct sheet, the prices are entered directly in column T on the cost workup sheet. From the project dimension sheet, the user can get to the correct cost workup sheet by clicking the button labeled SLCT: WSI for SHLF S1 BSE A or L LWR at the left end of the row of a feature's 5 dimensions. To be efficient, the only visible rows on the project dimensions and for SHLF S1 BSE A or L LWR sheet are those that are part of the cost workup. The data filter is applied in one of the columns. Shelf structure and finish materials include substrate, melamine 4 panels, finish, plastic laminate 16 strips for edges, hardware, standards, 4 lengths 36 inches, hardware, shelf clips 16 pieces. Confirm that all prices are entered and are correct. Confirm that quantities for each item are correct. If mistakes are made or entries are missed, they can be corrected at this time or at any time except while a macro is running. Next is the instructions example 3.1.01 Introduction Analysis. This example 2.4.12 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 3.1.01.